In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image background blue in Microsoft Word. If you have a photo and want to change its background to blue, you can do this directly in Microsoft Word using the built-in picture formatting tools. This can be useful for creating ID photos, documents, forms, profiles, or other images where you need a simple blue background. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Click Pictures, then choose this device and locate the image you want to edit on your computer. Select the picture and click Insert. The image will now appear in your document. Click the picture to select it. When the picture is selected, the Picture Format tab will appear at the top of the Word window. To remove the existing background, look for the Remove Background option in the Picture Format tab and click it. Microsoft Word will automatically identify the main subject of the picture and mark the area that it thinks should be removed. Review the image carefully to make sure the subject you want to keep is not accidentally marked for removal. If necessary, use the available options to mark areas that you want to keep or remove. Once the background has been selected correctly, click Keep Changes. The original background will now be removed, leaving the main subject of the picture. Next, you can place a blue shape behind the picture. Go to the Insert tab and select Shapes. Choose the rectangle shape and draw it over the area where you want the blue background to appear. With the rectangle selected, go to the Shape Format tab and click Shape Fill. Choose a blue color from the available options. You can select a standard blue or choose more fill colors if you need a specific shade. Next, click Shape Outline and select No Outline to remove the border around the rectangle. Now you need to place the blue rectangle behind the picture. With the rectangle selected, use the Arrange options and choose Send Backward or Send to Back, depending on the available options in your version of Word. The blue rectangle should now appear behind the subject of your picture. You can resize and position the picture and the blue background so they fit together properly. Make sure the blue area covers the entire background behind the subject. Once you're satisfied with the result, review the image carefully. Check the edges around the subject and make sure the blue background looks clean and even. And that's how you can make an image background blue in Microsoft Word using the Remove Background feature and a blue shape. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,